How's it going, everybody? Somebody finally turned Florida back on. Look at that weather. Clear skies. At least we're not up in Minneapolis. So we're out here today, out in the Castleberry, Winter Springs area, helping one of our good friends get their tile and grout really clean. Check this out. Getting all that gunk out, bringing the color back. Most of all, it's going to be clean and beautiful. That's what's important. One of the biggest investments in our homes is our floors. And it does determine not only the looks, but the health. And that's why, we love the opportunity to give a deep clean. Just make everything, look, nice and clean, beautiful, smelling great. This is actually one of Willie's friends. Willie, our crazy little rep in the field. And, who loves to rock the Wonder Woman socks in a suit. Andrew, who's on the machine, he just got back from a management class up in Atlanta for about a whole week. Hey, how was that class last week?
Awesome.
Yeah. It's all about making sure that that the customers get the proper care that they really deserve, which is the best. I mean, we're talking about Four Seasons type of customer care. That's what every homeowner deserves, is that kind of treatment. But here we are. We got all of our stuff set up. We got the beast in the trailer. With a couple hoses set up. So now once we get this done, we're actually going to apply one of our new protectant seals. It's really great at repelling stuff, absorbing in the grout. That way when it gets dirty, it can be wiped up with a cloth. Fantastic protectant. That's an optional thing. Some people want it, some people don't. That's fine. But at least we're going to get it nice and clean. So give us a call, 407-476-8525. Talk to Andrew, Willie, or myself, and we'll get you guys squared away. And don't forget, since spring's around, HOAs, they really, really want you to keep those driveway sidewalks looking great. So give us a call. We can handle that part as well. We'll be looking forward to talking to you guys soon. Have a wonderful day. Do something fun in this time.